This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Windows is fully updated and your GPU supports DirectX 12 feature level 12.0 or above. Open Settings, run Windows Update, and install all pending patches. Next, update the graphics driver from the manufacturer. Drivers often include DirectX runtime improvements. Once done, reboot your PC to apply system and driver updates, because without a clean driver state, the game cannot detect DirectX 12 correctly. You now ensure the runtime and config are correct. Run DXDiag and inspect the display tab for DirectX version and feature levels. You need DX12 capability. Install any missing Visual C++ redistributables and the DirectX runtime from Windows components. This restores necessary DLLs. Then, open your GPU control panel and assign Marvel Rivals to the high-performance GPU if applicable. These steps fix missing runtime files and ensure the game launches. You finish by launching Marvel Rivals and selecting DirectX 12 in the game's graphics settings if the option is present. If not, the game will detect DX12 automatically once prerequisites are satisfied. If it still won't run on DX12, verify the game files via your launcher or reinstall the game to restore corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: try a driver rollback or perform a clean boot to rule out background software conflicts, since overlay programs often block DX12 initialization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.